Okay, so I'm inside Canva. So this is the latest design. So you can see I've done the text, and I'm just going to remove our little template there. So I'm just going to delete that, and then we're just going to download this, but we want to download it as a PDF, and I only want to download page 9. So just download, select. Okay, so download as a PDF. Okay, that's done. I'm just going to drag that into my folder, which is just off the screen. Okay, so then we want to go into Kindle KDP and click on New Paperback. And this is where we've got to give it a title. Okay, this is a sort of blogger's journal. And then we want to click on the author section. You have to have something there. I'm just going to put day journals. And then your description is where you can write out a little bit about the book. And then this journal is great for bloggers. It is with project planning pages. Okay, just a bit about the book, really. Day, what you are working on. What? Okay, that's fine. And then I own the copyright. And then in here you want to put in your keywords. Try not to repeat them because it's already used, so there's no point. 100-day project books. Okay, just something like that will do for now. Keep track of my workbook. Okay, so that's an idea. And then categories, always a bit of a grey area, this. So I just tend to go non-fiction. This one's could be self-help, and then we could put one in, I don't know, crafts and hobbies. There's a whole load there. Have a little look for them. Spend a bit more time than I have on that. Does it contain any adult language or anything? No. And then save. Now assign free ISBN. Yes. Okay, that's done. And then you want to choose your paper size. Mine is an 8x5x11. Yes, we've got a bleed. I like the glossy, but they're both really good. That's the cover finish. Here's where you upload your script, so your actual book. If you're using the templates on the blog, then you just upload one of them. Okay, that one's done. Then you want to go click on upload a cover already. So you upload your own file here. That's the one I've just done, so I'm just going to upload that. Okay. Now you just got to wait for this button to appear. There you go, and then you click Launch Previewer. Now this can take a few minutes. Okay, so it's just doing the checking, doing all the checks, and I'll pause the video and then we'll come back when this is complete. But this can take up to 5 minutes. Okay, so there you go. So it's done now. This is the preview. So everything looks fine. So that's the front and back cover. And then if you scroll through, here's the pages. That's literally just 100 pages of that. This is something that I created. And then basically just copied it into 100 pages, saved it as a PDF, and then uploaded. Okay, so that's fine. Approve. And then that's it. So now you can set the pricing. So just click Save and Continue. And here's where you set your price. put whatever you want in there, click on expanded distribution, and then here's all your other marketplaces which you can change the price if you want. Okay, so that's fine. I'll just change that one, and then it shows you this is the royalty that you'll receive every sale, and that's it. And then publish your paperback. There you go, absolutely fine, completely done. And you just want to close that off now because you're not really interested in publishing these as Kindle books. Okay, I hope that helped. Any questions, let me know.